Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Joseph here with
Anthony. You already know.
yes, sir.
Platinum Luxury Detailing. Let's go.
Alrighty. So today, Anthony out here got this beautiful window cleaning and gutter cleaning job, and I think this is the first video on the channel where it's almost like not driveway cleaning. Like,
Yeah.
you know, it's window cleaning and gutter cleaning, which are two specific details that Anthony specializes in.
And it's the first time back where I'm not detailing a car
There you go. Or a roof.
or a roof.
Right?
We're doing straight house cleaning today. We got windows, gutters. We're gonna go ahead and show you everything that you need to see, man.
We're gonna show you guys how to detail that window very clean, right? So if you take a look at these windows, not only do you just wanna pressure wash it, but look, it needs a detail. And Anthony here specializes in
This is
details.
a no-go.
Yes.
No-go. Get
So
all that.
stay tuned for the video. Like and subscribe. You already know we're pumping videos out. We got great content for you guys. And if you take a look at these gutters here, you can even see those as well, right? So we'll show some pictures and videos, and you know, guys, just go out there and get these jobs. That's why they're here. So let's go. All right, so as we all know, you make sure you pre-wet everything before spraying any SH, and that's exactly what we're doing. So stay tuned. Holy moly, it is about 172 degrees, it feels like, but we'll call it 100.
What time we started?
About 2 hours ago, I think.
So about 12.
We'll call it that.
We did the whole house and the windows
And the gutters.
and the gutters.
How you feel? First time cleaning windows.
This is some bullshit.
What's the worst part about it?
It's just the detail. Everything has to be detailed. If you fuck it up, that's why I invest in great squeegees. Invest, because you will be here all day long.
Re-squeeging. But if you just take a look at the windows, I mean,
Just did this window. Look at that,
they're
white.
pretty clean. I mean, even the sills as well, you know. And that's the detail that we're talking about. Not just putting water on the
Spraying.
window and then wiping it off. We're really detailing, and that's exactly what he does with his car details. Once again, they're not car washes, they're car details.
And if you guys want, comment down below if you guys want him to come with me on a detailing job so that he can see how that works.
Yeah, don't comment. No, comment down below. Let's nice and collab. All right. So, hopefully you guys learned something. We'll drop some befores and afters right after this take. So, Washpreneurs out.
Bow.
Holy moly. Listen, man, that Florida heat is something else, bro. But let me show you guys the new. Don't mind these TVs on my face. Look at that. Check out this sign though. Thanks to Wanda Lee. See that right there? Appreciate that. And the truck. So, you know, advertising is part of it. Making sure that people are driving by, seeing our signs. So that's what I'm talking about. We got the gutters and the windows done. This is a private gated community, so we cannot be door knocking, we cannot be soliciting. So a sign like this is very important, okay? So these neighbors can just do their own research, check out the website, check out the before and after pictures on our Google page, and they'll reach out, and it's definitely worth it. So just a little pointer right there for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's hot out here, but guess what? That doesn't make any excuses. Go out there and get it done. Washpreneurs out.